Welcome to everybody. The topic for this session is documentation flow, that is creating a link between the documents. Sometimes the data recorded in one document may be required in another document. In order to get the data from one document to another document, a link is to be created between the documents. For example, the products recorded in a purchase order document must be loaded into the MRN or purchase voucher document automatically. If a link is created, then it is possible to keep track of pending details also. For example, we have ordered for 100 numbers, but the vendor has supplied only 80 numbers. Another 20 numbers are yet to be supplied. Even these details can be maintained. Let us create two links by using two different methods available. The first link is between purchase order and purchase voucher, and the other link is between sales order and sales invoice. In order to create a link between two documents, we are using this links definition. Here we can create up to 150 links in FocusRT. So the very first link, that is link 0, we are using now. So in place of link, so let us assume we have to create a link between purchase order and purchase voucher. Out of these two documents, so which one is the linked document and which one will be the base document, we have to identify. The document in which the data is recorded first will be the base document, from where we call the data, that will be the link document. Here in our example, the link document is purchase voucher, while the base document is purchase orders. By default, the link value will be quantity for this kind of link. So if anyone wants to view quantity wise details, then they have to choose quantity. So normally clients want to view quantity wise information. So they have ordered 100 numbers, they received 80, still 20 are pending. In such a way they want to know. That's why we have to select the quantity over here. So if anyone wants to view amount wise details, say they have ordered 1 lakh goods, they received 80,000 goods, still 20,000 order is pending. In such cases we have to select amount over here. So next is, so check this product, so that product wise details will be maintained. So next, when called, so when we choose this when called option, so in a linked document we have to use a shortcut called control L. Okay, a link is created between purchase order and purchase voucher. We may have recorded some order in a purchase order document. So next is when we call the same in a purchase voucher by using control plus L, or by using this action or load from link. The whole data will be loaded. Out of the ordered quantity, they may have supplied only 8 numbers. So next time when we press Ctrl L, the pending quantity, that is 2 numbers, will be loaded. In order to view the pending quantity, we are using this report listing of documents, where it will display the pending quantity details. In this window, we have to select the pending link, in which link we have to view the pending details. Just now we recorded the transactions in purchase order and purchase voucher, so we have to use this link to view the pending details. Choose the link. After selecting a link, if you want to view the linked details also, check this option. If you don't want to view the linked details, then uncheck this. So as we have recorded 10 numbers in purchase order document, so out of that a vendor has supplied only 8 numbers, so that is appearing over here. The pending details, that is 2 numbers, is a balance quantity that will appear in this column. If we choose the same option by unchecking this linked, then linked details will not appear, only the purchase order details and balance quantity will appear. So that is creation of a links by using links definition. So the same link can be created in other method also. For that we are using, so let us create a link between sales order and sales invoice. So here, instead of when called, we have selected based on field. In place of load field, we have selected as a narration. So now a link is created. So our customer, he may have given some order to us that we are recording in a sales order document. So he has ordered a quantity of 100 numbers, or say some crossing. He have ordered some 100 tablets. When we prepare a sales invoice, here in place of narration we have to type the document number of sales order document. So just type the number and press enter. The whole information will be loaded. Not necessary to use Control L here. So even Control L will work. So that was second method of linking, where in a linked document we have to type the document number of the base document. So these options link cannot exceed the base value. If we check this option in a base document, we may have recorded some 100 numbers. We will not be able to record 110 in linked document. If we check this, base document cannot be edited after it is linked. If we check this option, the user will not be able to modify the data in a base document. Use this link only for loading. So the link will become only for the loading purpose. Load base document details at the time of linking. Close link after due date elapses. Link is optional if the document is linked to another base document. So here in this case link will become optional as it is linked with another base document. As per the requirement we use all these options. So if anyone wants to filter account wise also, so only the orders of a particular customer are to be displayed. In such cases they need to check this account also.